Live forever, where the music never stops.
Blanket on when I rap, my ceiling's too high up. Throw up 5-star if you ready to die for it. Bitch so childish, I like grown fly bitches. Studio in my own crib, time to make 5 forever. Bitch, I throw up 5 forever. Legend status, I'ma die with it.
I didn't ask for your permission.
You were just a blip.
Oh my god. Whatever. Actually, I don't want to hear this shit. Sorry. I am totally sorry. Totally bad right now. I'm doing bad. What? I'm still going bad on the... I need to be quiet. I don't want Iggy Pop. Are you kidding? Yeah, just turn the radio off. Radio ain't got no jams. Oh my god. Radio can't make jam. What? Jam. I need to be quiet. I need to genuinely be quiet. Oh my god. That hurt a lot. Hey, what up, fam? I need to chill out. I need to chill up. That is not what I meant. Let's see. I can't kill him. I knew that. Sorry, I need to shut up. Okay, let's go to this goddamn stash house. I'm getting sick and tired. How much did we spend in the store? I don't even know. I walk in the stores and I don't even check the price no more. Like, I literally did not check the price at all on nothing I bought in there. I know this shirt was $100 though. That's the last time I looked. You know, like, I don't even know. I couldn't even tell you. Probably gonna buy more clothes after this anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I know these jeans are exactly what I wanted. Sorry, I need to chill. Okay, that's not even what I meant to say. Can you pause? Oh my god, I still in the hell. What? That's not what, bro. You motherfucker. Can you play a different song? Are you retarded? Okay, like, I'm not, bro. I'm not doing this with you. I'm not doing this for two. I'm not doing this for two. You're dead ass stupid as fuck. I'm not doing this for two. It's like, are you retarded? Yeah, you're a piece of shit too. Yeah, can you pause the song? I never told you to unpause the fucking song. Fuck. Bro, I'm so sick of this fucking. Just don't play any music, bro. Dumbass. Fucking sorry. And you can also turn it down a notch. You fucking Nick. Sorry. Bitch. Hey, let's. Does that even say? 732738. I'm actually so good for memory. I have so much good memory. Don't know what I said. Nigger. What? Sorry, I did not need to say that at all. Oh yeah, no. I'm getting away. I'm not gonna let them kill me another day. Like, don't know what I said. Fuck out of here. Y'all are not killing me, nor finding me. I'm dusting you. I promise I'm dusting you. I better not be 1,500. I better be 15,000, bro. Like, I swear to fucking God. Just pause. Stupid faggot. Don't know what I said. About to be $150 watch. Dumbass shit. I hate it. I hate this shit. I'm never doing another stash house again. It's like, now that I have a fucking company, they want to give me lower than what they normally give me. It's like stupid as fuck. It's like they think the wrong fucking way. It's like retarded. I'm gonna jump myself off a cliff. I barely even made back what I just spent at the store yet. I don't think. Did I? I think I've been made that back. I don't really know. Okay. Just running to me, like, without a care in the world. You fucking Nick. Sorry, I did a joke. Okay, I'm going to... That's not even what I meant to do. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna go back to my fucking motorcycle club. Modal? I need to shut up. I'm not going to phase fucking bang, you stupid fucking... Sorry, where's my car? It's crazy I didn't see that big ass black object in the fucking... I don't even know what I said. Sorry, I need to chill. Oh my God. Why is he in the middle of the street? Like, come on, dude. You know there's other places you can walk, right? Like, come on, dude. He saw me trying to turn. I don't know why. Come on. You're fucking dirty. Why is the car gone? I just look back and I don't see the car no more. Dumbass fucking hoe. Sorry, I need to chill. No, I'm probably going like 110, 108, something like that. Probably. I don't really know. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going faster now. I'm a master now. Oh my God, okay. You're going to slowly turn me up, just like that. Just like you normally would. What? I don't know what I said. I'm gonna do a fucking mission. If I have to, like, suffer or travel the 7 fucking seas, I'm gonna kill myself. Deadass. Like, it's gonna be over. I don't even have any fucking savings in here. I'm gonna kill myself. You're definitely gonna make me go out. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Alright, well, we gotta change our fucking dumbass appearance. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna genuinely murder someone. Like, I'm so done with this shit. Okay, wait. That means we gotta change and put like a vest on or whatever. God, motherfucker. I need to chill. Okay. I want the... Where is it? Where is it? I need my vest, like the big black one. Or I can even use this, whatever. I don't even care. Let's go. This is cool, actually. Cool with this. I become her secret soldier, bro. I'm being used. I don't know. I'm being used. Can I, bro? So we just haven't made any earnings. Got it. I can't restock the fucking bar yet? Okay. So then why the fuck did it make me take a drink already, motherfucker? I literally pressed the backspace. I don't know why I didn't fucking surrender. What did I say? I don't know what I said. Okay. Oh my god, it's so fucking far already. I already know. Oh, it's not that far actually. Okay, but it's gonna take me so long to get there. Why is my heart racing through the fucking controller? Like, what the fuck? This is some BS, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I need money. My fucking, this dumbass fucking shit isn't saving. I'm gonna kill myself. It's really playing through the fucking, are you serious? Like, are you gonna turn the radio off? That's not the radio. Okay, well, fuck you. Sorry, I don't know what I said. I'm deleting Spotify and deleting other movies that have already been saved. Wow. Oh, we're deleting. Wait, you're deleting original video out too. I did that already. You fucking retarded. I need to shut up. I don't need this to take all night either. Like, for real. It's already 1:51. I'll be doing this for 2 goddamn hours. I'm gonna kill myself. Am I timed? I'm not timed. So then why are they playing this music right now? Like, what the fuck? Hey. Sorry. I need to chill. Save the video, please. Like, holy shit. Didn't need to take that one, you fucking nick. So I just fucking snorted. What the hell? Save that. Okay, I'm gonna do this after my mission. I gotta go. I literally have to go 3 fucking miles and back to get there. Are you fucking smoking? Oh my god. Are you smoking? Sorry, I need to shut up. Actually, would this be faster or no? Cause I don't even care anymore. Right? I don't even care. We're gonna have to put our vehicle back in storage anyway. I don't even care. Oh my god. Okay. If I drive straight, we can get there in time. I'm trying to upload and drive at the same time, as you can probably tell. Oh my god. I'm not really making a good attempt, am I? I need to really get a job. I need to really, like, oh my god, what? Did you just tell me something about get out my country? Can you get out my country? You're literally white, though. I don't know what, like, that wouldn't really make a lot of sense with it. Oh my god, I didn't even know I was still driving. I thought I'd stop the car. Okay, literally 10 seconds. Hold on. I'm really getting sick of this fucking music. Like, holy shit. Fucking maybe more than 10 seconds. Sorry, I need to shut up. Okay, now, all of it is uploading. Thank fucking god, holy shit. Whatever, shit in your mouth. I'm gonna shit in your mouth. What? I need to chill out. It's not gonna show me my videos that are clearly trying to upload here. Like, I don't get it. Fucking nigger. What? Don't know what I said. Wow. That fucking trippy reaction. I put up a short on it. That shit has 300 views. That's more views than the fucking video has itself. Oh my god, I'm not paying attention. I need to literally lock in 66 views on the original video, 300 views on the short. Like, what are we talking about? Like, genuinely. Okay. So, are we gonna drive straight? Oh yeah, it's GG's, bro. I'm not going. I'm not doing this shit. Are you kidding me? I gotta turn the power mode off, of course. So I'm a fucking idiot. God, I'm not doing this shit. Especially now that I have to fucking drive all the way back to this shit. Can you move out my way? Just in my way on purpose. Fuck out of here, monkey. I mean, like, I think this is the same one that I failed on last time. I'm gonna kill myself. And niggas are gonna follow me down here and rage bait me. I'm gonna kill myself. Like, making it there isn't even the biggest concern. Like, I'm not doing this. I am not doing this. I'm gonna either bring back half or bring back none. I'm not doing this. You gotta, yeah, you got it, bro. Oh my God. I almost just died. Yeah, you got it, bro. Cause I'm not doing this shit. I'm not doing this shit. I can't drive straight. I'm not straight, so what? Not what I meant. I need to chill. Okay, bro. Fucking God, I can't drive straight. Take a shortcut. Just take the shortcut. Okay. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Oh my God, they're not gonna stop. It's like, holy shit. Can we shut the fuck up with this music already? I want it to end. It's like, please. I'm not doing this. I can't do this. Because I keep crashing. I'm not doing this shit. I'm literally not doing this shit, I promise. Oh, you can solely suck my tank. Like, I'm good off. I'm good off it. Like, fuck no. Like, are you kidding me? I can literally go through here. I'm not doing all that. You kidding me? Oh my God. That was about to be so cool. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm about to kill myself. Like, literally. Okay. Remember me again? Fuck, nigga. There goes your window. You're gonna have to pay for that. Stupid whore. What? I don't even know. How is he keeping up with me? Oh my God. Okay. I need to literally lock in. Sorry. Okay, you know, just for good measures, so that maybe I could ignore getting chased. Avoid, what'd I say? I can't kill. Yeah, you're done. You're done. Sorry, I need to chill. I can't kill him. Okay, cool. I'm not even worried about that whatsoever. I'm gonna have backup on my tail in like 2 minutes, bro. This is some bullshit. I'm going this way. I can't even go this way. I can't go this way. I'm going this way. Can he just run off and not call for backup? Like, can that be the thing? I'd rather go back and have to suffer through all that than have niggas shoot at my bag. Like, please. Let me just get this there. Holy shit. Oh my God. I almost didn't make that. Please. please. Is that purple thing gonna follow me? Okay, that purple thing is a person. I'm a fucking idiot. Okay, there's nobody gonna follow me. I think we're good. I think we're good. Holy shit. Hopefully we stay good and we remain good. Maybe. Hopefully. Oh my God, please. For the love of God. I don't want to run into anything or anybody. We only have 2 miles left. We can do this. Slowly but surely. Holy shit. And my videos are almost. Are you fuck? You motherfucking bitch. I hate this country. What does the country have to even do with it? Like, what the hell are you saying? Yeah, I just gotta be really careful over here. I gotta be really careful over here. I hate this shit. Like, why do they make me do this? Of all people. I'm their beer guy, apparently. I'm the goddamn president, and apparently I'm a beer guy. Like, how does that work? This shit is stupid. We only got 2 miles. Still? I'm gonna kill myself. Oh my God, please. Yakai. Holy shit. I'm gonna pray to God that there's nobody in front of me trying to stop my path, because that would not be good. Are they gonna be done playing this music now? Like, I'm getting about sick of it. Like, genuinely. Okay, I can actually maneuver well on this rocky road. Oh my God, please. Please. Oh my God, please. Oh, ow, my back. My back. Oh my back. Oh my God. Please, 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 please. Okay, thank you. Who told bro to make a 1 hour loop of this bullshit? Like, holy shit, when does it end? I wasn't paying attention. Holy shit. I need to watch out. A mile left. Jesus Christ, we're almost there. It's only road from here. It's literally only road. I'm about to get so paid. I'm about to get Nino paid. Like, what are you saying? Please. Okay. Swift turn. Are you kidding? Like, come on, boy. Give me that booty. What? I don't even know what I said. Okay. Man, I gotta go switch my laundry out, probably. Yeah. Keep going all swiftly and shit. Yeah. Just like you know how to. We're literally there. We're here. We're here. We're here, aren't we? Yep. Yep. Oh my God, right through. I'm going right through it. Oh man, I'm such a G. I'm such a G.